Hi guys, Carlos here, and this video is about uranium investing. More and more analysts believe we are entering a new uranium bull market, and for the ones who don't have time to research about the best uranium companies to invest, the most and simple way to profit is to buy an uranium ETF. And in this video, I'll be showing you the top uranium ETFs to invest. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I publish new videos. You can also join my Patreon to have access to exclusive alerts, multi-bagger stock picks, and short-term swing trading opportunities. See link in description. The world is shifting towards clean energy, and nuclear energy will play an important role. This point of view is defended by Barclays, saying, "Nuclear is needed in the push to net zero emissions." Uranium is an uncorrelated asset, which has its own cycles, so it can also be an excellent hedge against the coming inflation. Uranium has been through a 10-year bear market. As you can see in the chart, last big spike in uranium prices happened in 2011. However, since the second half of 2020, we've been watching more and more big money flowing to the uranium market, with some junior companies gaining 300%, 500% and more. Even the big uranium players deliver strong returns. Cameco gained 60% in the last 6 months, and Kazatomprom almost doubled in price. A recent news revealed that Sprott acquired a physical uranium fund as uranium bear market ends. Sprott Asset Management has taken over Uranium Participation Corporation (UPC), a physical uranium fund that trades in Toronto, relaunching it as the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust. The new trust will launch in late Q2 or Q3 of 2021. UPC will be buying uranium in the spot market, and I believe this big player will really hit uranium markets this summer. Sprott CEO John Ciampaglia said, and I quote, "Uranium was in a long bear market. We believe that this bear market is over and that a new bull market is now underway." As I said in the beginning of the video, the most easy and simple way to be exposed to uranium market is buying an uranium ETF. So now I'll be digging through two top uranium ETFs, starting with the biggest one, that is Global X Uranium ETF, ticker URA, which has net assets around $729 million and yields 1.19%. In 2011, it was trading around $125 and now is 23.47. We can also see it start climbing up again in the last 6 months. If it reaches at least 2011 levels, it will deliver more than 5x gains. Top 10 holdings account for 70.47% of total assets. The biggest holding is Cameco Corp, weighing 23.72%. The second is Kazatomprom, weighing 22.21%. Next is Next Gen Energy, 5.9%. Number 4 is Denison, weighing 3.48%. Next is Energy Fuels, 3.31%. Paladin Energy, around 3%. Next is Uranium Participation Corp, 2.62%. Uranium Energy Corp, 2.43%. Daewoo Engineering, 1.90%. And closing the top 10 is Doosan Heavy Industries, weighing 1.87%. The other top uranium ETF is North Shore Global Uranium Mining ETF, ticker URNM, with net assets around $230 million and yielding 1.87%. As you can see, it also started climbing up in the last 6 months. Top 10 holdings account for 72.12% of total assets, and many of them are also part of the Global X Uranium ETF. So there's no need to buy both ETFs. You can choose the one you like the most. The biggest holding here is Kazatomprom, weighing 16.31%. Next is Cameco, 14.32%. Number 3 is Uranium Participation Corp, 8.37%. Next is Yellowcake, 6.39%. Number 5 is Paladin, 4.92%. Next is Next Gen Energy, 4.80%. Denison Mines 4.40%, CGN Mining 4.38%, Uranium Energy Corp 4.22%, and closing the top 10 is Energy Fuels weighing around 4%. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own research before investing in any stock. Wish you the best and thanks for watching.